In this video, we're highlighting the 5 best running shoes for 2025. If you're looking to upgrade your gear and enhance your running experience, stick around as we review the top options available this year. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. ONEMIX Elite. The ONEMIX new top cushioning running shoes are designed for athletes who demand both performance and comfort. Featuring a breathable mesh upper, these shoes ensure that your feet stay cool and dry even during the most intense workouts. The secure lace-up closure system provides a customized fit, keeping your shoes in place without distractions. Equipped with advanced 4Motion technology, these shoes allow for a smoother, more natural stride. The soft-arm stability system delivers responsive shock absorption, while the energy entropy air column cushioning system absorbs impact and provides a responsive toe-off experience, ideal for long-distance runs. The durable rubber outsole, with an imitation racing tire texture, offers exceptional grip, making these shoes perfect for outdoor activities. ONEMIX running shoes are built to last. A carbon fiber plate embedded in the arch provides extra stability, and the vacuum foam midsole enhances cushioning for a soft landing with every step. Reflective 3M material increases visibility during night runs, while the shoe's versatile design makes them suitable for both beginners and seasoned athletes. Whether you're running on asphalt, a plastic track, or outdoor hard ground, these shoes will protect your knees with their shock absorption technology and resilient sole. They also provide superior comfort, keeping your feet cool and dry with their advanced squid hole perspiration system. With all these features, the ONEMIX new top cushioning running shoes are the perfect companion for any runner seeking durability, comfort, and performance. Number 4. ONEMIX Orca. The ONEMIX Orca running shoes are designed for athletes seeking both comfort and performance. Drawing inspiration from the killer whale's biology, these shoes echo the appearance, posture, and silhouette of orcas. They offer a low-key, yet fashionable design that exudes dominance without being overly flashy. The ergonomic design ensures excellent arch and knee support, making these shoes ideal for joint protection. The shoes feature structural shock absorption technology, which provides better stability and reduces impact on your knees, allowing for a more relaxed and comfortable running experience. The wider base ensures improved stability, while the shock-absorbing design enhances your stride, making every step easier. ONEMIX Orca running shoes also include the innovative squid sole that efficiently wicks away sweat, helping to keep your feet dry, while the funnel insole absorbs and purifies sweat to ensure long-lasting freshness. The combination of these features makes them perfect for long training sessions or outdoor athletic activities. With 3 key technologies: comfort, breathability, and elasticity, the ONEMIX Orca running shoes are built for a superior fit and a smooth running experience. The external buffer technology enhances the shoe's performance, making it perfect for both casual joggers and serious athletes. Number 3. 361 Degrees Flame 3.0. The 361 Degrees Flame 3.0 running shoes are designed for serious runners, offering a dynamic, performance-enhancing experience. Featuring a zero-threshold carbon plate, these shoes provide superior propulsion and speed, with a design that enhances the runner's stride by differentiating the drops between the front and rear of the shoe. This helps optimize force and further enhances propulsion during each run. The shoes utilize a special dynamic carbon fiber plate that is designed with varying hardness levels in different areas, ensuring the right amount of support where needed. The pressure relief window upgrade improves cushioning and support, specifically addressing the stress on the inner and outer waist of the foot. This allows for better pressure distribution and enhanced comfort, especially during long-distance runs. The Feiying 3.0 running shoes also include a lightweight, breathable upper constructed from woven material, PP film, and synthetic leather. This combination ensures excellent ventilation while keeping the shoe durable. The skin-friendly, perforated material also provides cooling, helping keep your feet fresh throughout intense training sessions. With an anti-slip sole made from cloth-based RPU and nylon elastomer foam, the shoes deliver a solid grip on various surfaces, offering reliable traction for runners of all levels. The shoe's innovative design focuses on maximizing energy feedback and providing a responsive, comfortable running experience. Number 2. Xtep 5.0. The Xtep 160 X 5.0 running shoes are designed specifically for professional marathon runners looking to achieve their personal bests. With advanced torsion technology, these shoes provide superior stability and responsiveness with every stride, ensuring optimal performance during long-distance runs. The carbon plate within the shoe enhances energy return, reducing muscle fatigue and improving efficiency, making these shoes perfect for competitive environments. Comfort is key with the Xtep 160 X 5.0, as the EVA insole and rubber outsole offer excellent cushioning and shock absorption, protecting your joints during intense runs. The low-profile upper, made from high-quality polyurethane, conforms to the shape of your foot, providing a snug, supportive fit, while the lace-up closure allows for easy adjustability. These shoes are also engineered for superior traction, especially on PVC floors, making them ideal for races and training sessions. Not only built for speed but also durability, the Xtep 160 X 5.0 running shoes feature a durable polyester material and a rubber outsole designed to handle the demands of intense training. The shoes are versatile enough for both men and women, ensuring comfort and support, whether you're on the track, the trails, or training for a supermarathon. For athletes looking to push their limits, the Xtep 160 X 5.0 running shoes deliver both the performance and comfort needed to conquer long-distance races and training runs with ease. Number 1. QIAODAN Feiying PB 5.0. The QIAODAN Feiying PB 5.0 professional marathon racing running shoes are designed for elite athletes who demand top-tier performance. Featuring a full-length carbon plate, these shoes offer exceptional energy return and stability, making them ideal for marathon runners. The synthetic upper material is durable, while the EVA midsole provides ample cushioning to ensure comfort during long-distance runs. These shoes are optimized for marathon racing, providing a lightweight construction that won't weigh you down. The carbon plate technology allows for more efficient strides, reducing fatigue and boosting speed. The snug fit and breathable upper materials keep your feet cool and dry, even during intense training sessions or races. The QIAODAN Feiying PB 5.0 shoes are not only perfect for marathons, but their versatile design also makes them great for other athletic activities. Whether you're training for a triathlon or looking for a reliable pair of running shoes for daily use, these shoes provide durability, support, and a responsive ride for various running conditions. Advanced features such as Q Kung Fu silk technology enhance the shoe's comfort and breathability, with an increase in air permeability by 150%. The midsole's rebound performance is improved, offering over 90% energy return, while the upgraded carbon plate structure and wider heel improve propulsion and stability, especially during high-impact running. There you have it, the 5 best running shoes for 2025. Which pair do you think suits your stride? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more running gear reviews. Happy running!